Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to bring back old File Explorer on Windows 11 computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To bring back old File Explorer in Windows 11 computer, go to Windows File Explorer. Hello, this is the new Windows File Explorer view on Windows 11 computer. In address bar, type Control Panel. Now hit Enter. Control Panel has been opened in File Explorer. Just click on the up arrow button to find the old File Explorer. Click here and look. The old File Explorer view has been opened and you can enjoy your old File Explorer experience. This is the easiest way to get back old File Explorer in Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.